In this video, I am going to show you how to make a YouTube TV payment and manage your billing information. If you need to update your payment method or pay an outstanding balance, the process is straightforward. Start by logging into your YouTube TV account on the website or app. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings. From there, go to the Membership section and choose Billing. Here, you'll see your current payment method, subscription details, and any outstanding charges. To update your payment method, click Edit next to the Payment section and enter your new credit or debit card information. If there's an overdue payment, YouTube TV will prompt you to settle it immediately. Simply confirm the amount and authorize the transaction. You can also set up automatic payments to avoid missed bills in the future. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation email with the details of your payment. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to make a YouTube TV payment, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.